Today I've come with another recipe and this is of vanilla cake. Now this sponge is actually such a versatile sponge that you can use it as a tea time vanilla cake, enjoy it as a buttery vanilla cake, or you can put in tutti frutti and enjoy it as a tutti frutti cake. You can even add in fresh blueberries and enjoy it as a blueberry cake. So this is a recipe you need to store. Okay, this is wonderful recipe, so easy to make. It gives you such a spongy, moist cake. So let's start seeing what all do we need and how do we prepare this. Let's get started.
Okay, to start off, what I have done is I've taken in this bowl I have taken all the dry ingredients. That is, I've taken maida, I've taken baking powder and baking soda, and I've sieved it properly. Now sieving is important because it helps the cake to become light and fluffy. Okay, so this is all sieved in properly. Now in this another bowl, I'm going to take in 1 cup sugar. It can be granulated sugar or caster sugar, and if you don't get any of those, you can even take you can powder the normal granulated sugar. I don't prefer you taking the granulated sugar because it's difficult for the granules to get mixed up properly, and then you'll get those crunch of sugar in your mouth. Okay, that won't look good. So what I do is, using my beater, I'm going to beat this till it's soft and fluffy. Start with a very low speed, so otherwise the sugar is going to splutter out and it will all spread around. Now increase the speed till the time the sugar mixes up, sugar dissolves in this butter and it becomes a very smooth mixture. Remember, the butter has to be at the room temperature. If not, you need to keep on beating it still further. Now simultaneously, you can see my mixture has become so pale, the butter has become pale. Now what I'm going to do is, simultaneously I'm going to break in eggs. Okay, I'm going to break in 2 eggs one at a time and then beat it alongside. Now let me tell you, at this stage what I have done is I've kept my oven for preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, and also I have buttered my pan. This pan in which I am going to bake it has to be buttered and nicely floured. Okay? These 2 things you need to keep it ready before you start your baking. The eggs are nicely incorporated inside. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now since I've got few drops, so I'm going to add in about 10 to 12 drops. Always see to it that you take a good quality vanilla essence because that decides the flavor of your cake. If your vanilla essence is not of a good flavor, it will definitely impact the flavor of your final product, that is the cake. Now this is nicely mixed up. All my wet ingredients are nicely mixed up except the buttermilk. What I'm going to do is, now I'm going to mix up this flour as well as my buttermilk mixture in batches into this. So I'm going to start with flour and also end with flour. So flour goes in 3 times and buttermilk goes in 2 times. Using a cut and fold method, nicely mix it up. Okay. Now I'm going to add in half of my buttermilk into it. Going to be dense. Now my last batch of buttermilk goes in. Mix it up properly. And now the last batch of dry ingredients, that is my flour, goes in. See to it that there are no lumps left and all the dry flour is mixed up properly. At this point, if you feel you need to add in some nuts, you can put in some nuts inside your batter and it will be very nice tasty nutty cake. You can put in tutti frutti and make it a tutti frutti cake, or you can put in blueberries. You can put in fresh or frozen blueberries and it will be a nice flavorful blueberries cake. I really want this cake to be a plain cake, so today I'm going to make it plain. Now my flour, I feel, is totally incorporated. Try to see from the bottom, everything is mixed up. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to pour it into my mold. Now all my batter is poured into my tin, and I'm going to give it a nice tap so that it evenly distributes. Now off this goes into my preheated oven for about 28 to 30 minutes. So after that, after 28 minutes, you need to keep an eye on your cake. Insert a skewer and see whether it comes out clean. Okay, now let me just put it inside. Now my cake is finally done. It's out of the oven. I can put in my skewer and check. It comes out clean. So this cake is done. I'm going to cool it in this pan for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to demold it and put it on the wire rack.